Welcome to iOS Insights, your go-to channel for iOS app development using Swift and SwiftUI. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced developer seeking advanced techniques, this channel aims to provide you with valuable insights and knowledge. Welcome to the second part of how to use sets in Swift and SwiftUI. In this session, we will be focusing on creating the UI to enable the user to search through the set and retrieve the information, and to scroll up and down the list. So that's what we'll do next. In the previous video, there was an error on line 26 within the cartoon character class. On line 26, the function should be called hash and not has. Before it was written as has, but it should be called hash, H-A-S-H. So now within the content view, we will start to create the user interface. So the first thing we need to do is, after line 10, enter the following: at state private var search query string. This will be used to search and filter the list of the set. Next, type var filtered character set cartoon character. If I think we missed out something, that should be let all characters it's all one word. Let all characters equals cartoon character, that character list. So what this will do, it will call the character list method within the cartoon character class, which is defined here, and then it will return an array, a set array of cartoon characters to the UI. If search query is empty, return all characters. So if the user doesn't enter anything within the search text field, by default just display all of the characters in the list. Else return all characters dot filter character in character dot name dot lowercase dot contains search query dot lowercase. So what that does, it filters the character based on the search query. It filters the characters based on the search query by using the filter condition. If the lower uppercase name of the character contains a lowercase search query, then it returns true if the character's name matches the search query, else it returns false. And then the next thing we need to do is, within the VStack, like on line 25 to 28, delete that code block and then enter text, how to use sex in Swift UI. Dot font, dot title, dot font weight, dot bold, dot padding, text field, search, text, search query, and that's the user input for the search query when the user wants to like filter on the character, the cartoon character. Dot padding, dot text field style, rounded, rounded border text style. If filtered characters dot is empty, so what this will do, when the filter results are empty, then it will display characters not found text box or text like a label, characters not found, so it will display character not found within the text, dot font, dot title, dot font weight, dot bold, dot foreground color, dot red, dot padding, else if the filtered character array isn't empty, then it will display all the records. Else list filtered character dot sort, sorted, $sign dot name less than $sign dot 1. So this will filter on the characters' names and sorts the list of characters. And next thing we need to do is need a bracket there, character in hstack image. This will display the cartoon image, character Oh, that should be removed. Character dot image dot resizable dot frame dot width 100 and the height is 100. So that's the size of the image. Next we create a V-stack. Add a spacer. Text. String. Character. Is it characters or character dot ID number? Text character dot name dot bold and spacer. We also need to enter a foreground color of blue on line 47. So just type in dot foreground color dot blue. And then we also need to delete the padding on line 59. And then on line 57, add a text field. To show the record count of the found records in the set. On line 53, we need to include the open bracket, close bracket for the spacer, as I missed it out by accident. And then now, what we need to do is add the images, the cartoon images, to the assets folder. I have images on the desktop, so I'll just drag them in to the project, which is here. So I just select all of them and then drag them all into the assets folder. Yeah, they're all in the right location, just checking. Yes, that's correct. And then now, what we can do, we can run it to see if the application works or not. And oh yeah, something else I need to show you is that image 1, image 2 and image 3, they all map to the assets images. Image 1, image 2 and image 3. The application is just compiling at the moment, it's just building. I did display John. Maybe I spelled it incorrectly. I spelled it as images.1. It should just be image. So if I rename the image to image1, and run it again. Now it's displayed. So if I type in Alice, it filters on Alice. Type in O, it gets all the characters with the name that includes letter O. And it also displays the record count as well. 3 records are found. So if I type in Bob, it should say 1 record found. Bob, yeah, 1 record found. But if I type in a character that's not in the set, it displays a message. Character not found. This code showcases the power and simplicity of Swift set data structure, which can be useful for modeling collections of unique items, such as character with names and IDs. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.